Okay, welcome to the Crow Discovery Project. Today we are going to go over a few things about the lunar wave that probably a lot of new folks have not had a chance to see, and maybe some of the folks that have followed me for a while have forgotten. So also I'm getting another run at the Russian documents to go over the translations I have with the existing text and maybe get a little bit tighter, easier to read version. I will be presenting that stuff. I know a lot of people are asking. There's only one of me, but I'm getting there. Here comes the lunar wave footage that most of us have seen. I'm just going to run through it once here. The wave is going to come in from the bottom. I'll cue you right as it starts. The camera pan goes down. Notice the wave starts, the camera pulls it out of frame, the speed of the wave remains constant, catches up to the camera. We'll cover that in a minute. That is proof positive of something. And the second wave comes. I'm going to go step by step through the things that are factual about this clip. All right, here we go. Here comes the wave. The wave goes out of frame. The timed frame proves that that wave remains a constant speed as when it starts. There it is, starting. The camera pan goes above the wave and the wave catches up. This has always been definitive proof. Video engineers, CCD chip designers have all corroborated that is proof. Camera equipment plays no roles in this. Now here I'm going to demonstrate that the wave does not cross the video frame. When you're looking at it in this view, the problem becomes that your eye tries to stretch the wave out into the noise that I've placed on the outside. So what I'm going to do is mask the moon out with this. A video engineer showed me this method. Look outside those arrows pointing left or right. You got a little strip there. No wave travels through that noise, and it is brightened up enough to demonstrate that the wave does not go through or across the video frame. This was shot at about 8:30 in the summer or in the fall evening. So as we move on, at the top you see a blue line which is level to the camera sensor. The red line measures the angle of the wave. Many of the video engineers, CCD chip designers, and other technical people have said that if this was a hum bar, it would almost certainly match the blue line. It does not. And there is the bow measured in the wave. There is actually a measurable bow. Now what we're going to do is jump in and look at the energy pulse that occurs right as the wave starts. Look down at the lower left, a circle will come up. A lateral pulse goes through that part of the video frame there, and it is detectable without any manipulation. You can see the wave is starting at the same time. We're going to run some filters on this to bring it up. As the wave starts, that lateral pulse curves. You can see the curvature of the lines. I'm running it forwards and backwards here. There it goes backwards. There it goes forward. So now we're going to zoom in on this area and run some serious filters so that it would demonstrate that there is a spherical shape to those pulses that I don't know whether they're being, well, I guess I do think they're being generated there behind what we are seeing. That's what I believe. And as you can see, it's spherical. It is curving. Those are curved lines, and many people have come to look at this from all walks of life and confirmed what we're seeing. Many of them with technical abilities. Some of them are just darn smart people, to be frank. Okay, here we go. Here is the lunar wave that should not exist. And I will be doing more on this. I just wanted to catch everybody up on those few simple facts that mean so much to what I have come to know this clip means. And there it is. All right, I would like to once again thank Zoe, who's been an absolute angel of sorts to the work that I'm doing. In many ways made some of the things that you have been able to witness possible. So thank you so much, Zoe. All right, and as usual, please come and see me on the Examiner. The link to my Examiner will be down in the description of this video. You can subscribe to the author. I will video or email alert you. This article went up today, and it may be the first that I'm going to get out to mainstream news. That is my hope. It was approved. I'm waiting to see if it shows up on Google News, Bing, and MSN. It is a typical UFO article, but that is what I'm doing to get my foot in the door to be widely read. And when I say widely read, I'm aiming for hundreds of thousands of views on these articles. Once I get there, I will begin to push the boundaries on what I can talk about. Please come join me. Cheers.